entry-level steps
What
to
up,
building
everybody?
your credit
You know I
score.
am Gabriel Joseph, and right now I just want to do a video. I just want to speak on something I'm looking at right now, and it's all based on building your credit, man. And I think the first step with building your credit is basically knowing your credit score, guys. Okay, if you don't know your credit score and you don't know what's on your credit report, then I mean you kind of behind, man. Especially if you're an adult, you know what I'm saying. If you're in your early 20s, then you still should be, knowing and looking and being aware of what's on your credit. But this website right here, I know a lot of us, you know what I'm saying, a lot of tech savvy people, you got apps, you're dealing with a lot of different things where you see your credit report, you know what I'm saying. You got Credit Karma, all that stuff, even though it ain't all the way accurate, but you see your credit score at least, and you see different things hitting your credit. And some of us are tuned in where we get alerts when somebody checks our credit and stuff and does a software hard pull. But what I'm talking about right now is, just for everybody. Everybody can go to this. You don't have to download an app. You don't have to have an iPhone. You don't have to have a certain type of computer. If you can get online, you can go to freeannualcreditreport.com. Okay? Now, the free annual credit report is basically what's given to you, okay? You can get 3 of them. You can do the TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, all right, guys? Federal law says that you are able to pull your credit, you know what I'm saying, for free, at least one time a year, all right? And so this website right here, annualcreditreport.com, is where you can do that. You put in your information. They'll ask you some questions to verify, who you are, your background. Ask you questions like where you lived before, if you had a dog, just whatever little questions they may ask. But that's pretty much how you get squared away, guys. And what you want to do is you want to pay attention to your credit. You know what I'm saying? Once you pull your credit report, you know what I'm talking about, we got like a few more months before we at the end of the year. You pull your credit report, you still have time to make the little payments here, send dispute letters, hear back from them. You still have time to do this, guys. And so that when the new year starts, the year starts over, by then you may be able to pull your other credit report. Let's see what happens now. Let's see what changed. Let's see what got good and taken off. You know what I'm saying? That type of thing. But at the same time, guys, understand the annualcreditreport.com is just one way of pulling your credit score. You know what I'm saying? And credit report. All right. There are many different ways, guys. Okay. I prefer everybody get in touch with some type of monitoring service so that you can see what your credit score is on a daily basis. All right. Let's pay attention, man. Life is freedom. All right. One way to freedom is financial freedom. One way to financial freedom is having good credit.